Car dealer negotiation trick, the dreaded Foursquare. The Foursquare is a common sales negotiation technique used by unscrupulous car dealers during price discussions with a car buyer. Although we've described it as the Foursquare, the dealer using it is very unlikely to do that. You'll just have to recognize it if it's presented to you. Hello, I'm Kevin Hunter, the homework guy. I got fired from the last dealership I worked for being too honest. I wear it like a badge of honor today. The Foursquare was one of the things I refused to use on my car buying customers, something that upset my managers quite a bit. The name Foursquare comes from the way the paper is divided into four squares, each representing a different component of the sale. Before I get into how and why it's used, I'll describe the four boxes. You may not have seen this because in some areas of the country, the Foursquare has long since been out of circulation, but we do see it come up on occasion with various car buyers. The squares fall out like this. Vehicle price. This is the price of the car being purchased and is usually in the upper left corner of the box. The dealer may start with a higher price to leave room for negotiation in this or the other boxes. Trade-in value. This square is for the value of the buyer's trade-in vehicle and is usually in the upper right corner of the box. Dealers will most often undervalue the trade-in in the effort to make back money given up elsewhere. Down payment. This is the amount of cash that the dealer shows that you are paying as a down payment. They will often show a higher down payment than they think you can afford, so it takes your attention off the other parts that matter more. This box is usually found in the lower left corner of the square. When you complain about too much cash down, the dealer just tweaks it, making you think you gained a concession and won something that makes your life easier. Monthly payment. This is definitely the most focused on square in the entire box because it shows the monthly payment amount. It's usually in the lower right corner of the square and is the only square the dealer wants you to focus on at the end. Dealers always manipulate this number by extending the loan term or adjusting the interest rate. When you push back complaining about the payment being too high, the dealer just adjusts the loan term and boom, you have a lower payment. It feels good, making you think you've won. The dealer knows that they have actually won this negotiation when most of your attention is focused on this box. Interestingly enough, the purpose of the Foursquare method is not to help make things more transparent or more clear to you. Its entire purpose is to distract and confuse the car buyer and causes you to focus your attention on monthly payments, which is the kiss of financial suicide, rather than the total cost of the car and the loan. It also takes attention off your trade value, which is almost always way too low. By shuffling numbers between the squares, the dealer can make it seem like the buyer is getting a good deal, even when it would otherwise be clear they are not. Because all the numbers are right in front of you on a sheet of paper, you can be fooled into thinking the dealer is just being fair and honest with you. It's very important for car buyers to understand this car dealer negotiation trick and to ignore its intended car payment focus. Focus instead on the total cost of the vehicle and the terms of the financing. Do not ever let monthly payments be the reason you are making a car buying decision. For an outline on this subject and many more killer quality car buying blogs, visit our website, thehomeworkguy.com, and start making smarter car buying decisions today. Please share this show on the well-known dealer negotiating trick called the Foursquare. And while you're at it, share some of your other favorite shows that we've done with your family and friends. We appreciate everything you do to help us get the word out. Everyone deserves a break from hardship caused by car dealers, and there's a lot of great information on this subject and many others on our website, thehomeworkguy.com. Don't wait, check it out today. I'm Kevin Hunter, the Homework Guy. Thanks for listening. I've got to go.
You can't go! All the plants are gonna die!